the Mounted Animal Nature Trail. It has a sing-along chorus. Please, everybody, sing along, and they will feel the love in Calidar. On the Mounted Animal Nature Trail, you'll be sure to see all Mother Nature's favorite pets all sitting rigidly. They're never hungry anymore, their last meal left them stuffed. Don't worry, they won't walk away if you try to pet their fluff. Where the dog goes, and the cow goes, and the bear goes. Enthusiasm mediocre. Keep in mind the animals are dead.
That's right.
And the pig goes, shut up! And the crow goes, I guess it was alive. You can see all this on the Mounted Animal Nature Trail. Dance! Mounted Animal Nature Trail, it's great for Mom and Dad. Where else could Grandma and the kids see the silence of the lambs? Don't have to walk 100 miles or climb the steepest hill. And the only fearsome sound you'll hear is the ringing of the till. Chip-chip, where the dog goes.
No. Meow.
Late and stupid. And the cow goes.
Big and strong.
And the bear goes. Yeah.
Okay, Trevor, if there's a kid, you can probably take him.
And the pig goes.
Ooh.
He certainly intimidated them.
Yes, he did.
And the crow goes, I guess it's still alive. You can see all this on the Mounted Animal Nature Trail. Dance! The only things that bite are the bugs. Ow. None like other theme parks, the mice won't say hello. If you're having troubles with your own family pet, you can bring him in and add him to the trail. Woo! Okay, everyone, where the dog goes, and the cow goes,
Stop it.
and the armadillo goes. Someone should read Dr. Zeus. And the pig goes. And the crow goes.
Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is I never left you.
Where's his metal bra? You can see all this on the Mounted Animal Nature Trail. Dance! Thank you!
Thank you.